manufacturing premium fine chocolates, moisture content is an important parameter that we maintain all throughout the process. And to make sure that our products are top quality and worthy of the brand Oro Chocolate, we maintain the moisture content of our products at less than 1%. However, the risks that we are still facing is the use of water during machine changeovers. The SPARCS project actually has big potential in solving this issue.
Plasma is everywhere. It is all around us. It's called the fourth state of matter. When sufficient energy is continuously supplied to a solid matter like ice, it transforms into water. Increasing the energy further, water vaporizes as steam. Adding more energy, the vapor enters the plasma state. In this state, electrons separate from the atoms or molecules to create an ion. There will be still neutral particles, but some might be in excited state. Plasma occurs naturally like the sun, lightning, and even the polar lights. We have also taken advantage of the use of plasma for lighting applications. However, we are more interested in industrial plasmas for material synthesis and modification. Plasma and the technologies that they enable is pervasive in our everyday lives. Each one of us touches or is touched by plasma-enabled technologies. Imagine your life without computers and mobile devices. These are some of the technologies enabled by plasma-based processes. It has improved the quality of life. Nowadays, plasma technology is recognized in almost all areas of industry, and new applications are being developed. Many applications become feasible: activation of etching materials, coating of surfaces, and even in surface cleaning and decontamination. In the Philippines, plasma research is still growing and the use of the technology has not yet reached its full potential. We are here to continue developing plasma-based systems for value-adding processes.